Is to remove the negative battery cable from the battery. Now the computer on this 2010 Forester is located on the passenger side, right here on the floorboard, underneath the carpet. So we got to peel back the carpet so we can find it. Now I got a little push pin here that we're going to remove. Now, let's see if we can grab that carpet. All right, we'll remove this piece a little bit. There it is. Now we can see it. Right down there. Now to remove that cover, we have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts, and way up here is a 10mm nut. So we got to remove those now. Here is the last bolt. Shouldn't be anything holding the cover on now. There we go. There is our computer. Before we remove our electrical connections, I think we will unmount the computer from the floor. It's a little tight down there on our connections. This one is slotted right here, so we can just loosen that. And the top one we'll have to remove all the way. Don't ask me why these things are so tight. Ooh. Jeez. For a little bolt. I guess they don't want this to go anywhere. There, now we should be able to get our wires out of the way. Still, they don't give you too much room. Let's work on the top one first. There's a 1. 2. 3, 4. I loosened that other one. That's why that came off like that. Holy crap. Holy cow. Is there anything in this thing? Light as a feather. Plastic. When was the last time you seen a plastic one? Wow. So that's all there is to removing a computer from your Subaru Forester.